Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but for today's video I'm going to show you how I made this rainbow cake topper. This is how it's going to end up looking, but I'm going to show you from the beginning how I did it. So let's get started. First we're going to go to images, and then we're going to search for rainbow. And this is the one that I purchased. As you can see, it says purchase here. So I'm going to click on it and click on insert images. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup it, and I'm going to get rid of these here. And I'm going to put these two to the side. And then I'm going to change the size of the rainbow. So I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to unlock it. And I'm going to make it, let's see, going to make the height to be at about 3.7. So about there. And then the length, I'm going to make it about 6.4. About 6.4, let's see, around there. So we have the length as 6.469, and then we have the height at 3.779. So I'm going to lock it back, and then I'm going to take the clouds, and I'm also going to change, well, first I'm going to arrange to the front, and then I'm going to change the size as well. So we're going to unlock it, and then I'm going to make the length to be at about 2.7. That's good, 2.7. And then let me see, the height, 1.5 will be good. So right there. So you lock it back, and then you're going to duplicate it, and this one is going to go there, and you can go ahead and delete this one. Now for the name, so we're going to go to text. We're going to type Adeline, and the font that I'm going to be using is called Somewhere, and I got this from a font bundle that I got from Creative Market. I can link it down below for you guys. So I'm gonna move this a little bit to the side. So first we're gonna close down the letter space. And then we're also going to change the size. So I'm going to make the length to be around 3.8. So let's say 3.874. And then we're also going to change the height. So we're going to unlock it, and we're going to make the height to be at around 1.4. So 1.4 right there is good. And then we're going to lock it again. And let me just move this down back a little bit so I can just show you with the name on top. So we're going to take the name, and then I had it at around there. So that's pretty much it. That's all I did. I purchased the image, and then I kind of played around with it a little bit and changed the size. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take each piece and we're going to place it just how I'm going to place it on my mat for when I'm ready to cut it. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make everything the same color just because I want to cut everything together on one mat. Also, I forgot to mention that you want to make sure that you're welding your name. For you to do that, you're going to highlight the image of your name and then you're going to go down here and you're going to click on weld. Mine is not showing as selected just because I already did it. I'm just going to move this down a little bit because the clouds are going to be white and then the name is going to be in a rose gold color. And let's not forget to group and attach everything together. I made a small mistake, so my mat only goes up to 12 inches. So I have to detach this and ungroup. Then I'm gonna move this to the side just a bit, and it looks like I'm gonna have to place, I'm gonna group this and I'm gonna have to place this cloud under this one. Let me just move this to the side a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna group. This is how it should look on your mat. So now I'm gonna go get my cardstock and I'm gonna place each color how I want it to be on my mat. Next, we're going to take these pieces here and we're going to place them right on top, going down like so. Okay guys, this is the finished cake topper. I'm going to be using this for my daughter's second birthday. Obviously, I'm doing a rainbow theme. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Tell me what you liked or disliked about this video. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye.